Hello, nice to see you again. Today, we begin with tutorial number 1. Case 1. Asiani Alice Moavis, 63 years old, was tried for being charged with stealing 7 pieces of wood owned by the PD Perhutani, a state-owned company. Pursuant to Article 12, in conjunction with Article 18 of Act Number 18 of 2013 on the prevention and eradication of forest destruction, she may be sentenced to a 5-year imprisonment. NGOs and other activists demanded earnestly that police release her. They called for Asiani not to be tried due to her age and for the sake of humanism. Moreover, she only stole 7 pieces of wood, which is nothing compared to scams of billion rupiah. Asiani, however, was tried. On April 23rd, 2015, about 5 years ago, Situbondo District Court decided that Asiani guilty of larceny by stealing 7 pieces of wood owned by PD Perhutani, a state-owned company. The court imposed upon her 1-year imprisonment with probation in 15 months. You know what probation means? Probation means this way. If someone is sentenced, for example, to 1 year imprisonment, he or she does not necessarily serve the punishment for a certain time, depends on the probation. In this case, Asiani is sentenced to 1 year imprisonment with probation in 15 months. If she doesn't commit criminal act within 50 months, she doesn't necessarily serve the imprisonment, so she's still outside the jail. But if she commits another crime within 50 months, she will be punished, or she has to serve her punishment 1 year plus another sentence. This is probation. So one is given probation order, he or she doesn't necessarily serve the sentence, okay? Question for discussion. You have to discuss with your friend. First, is Situbondo District Court decision consistent with the nature of jurisprudence? Still remember that the truth in jurisprudence is coherence truth instead of correspondence truth. Is the NGO and activist demand in conformity with the nature of jurisprudence? You have to discuss. You have to discuss with your friend. You are 17 and you have to discuss another. I have to, just to lead the discussion, I'm as a moderator. I don't teach you. I don't give lecture. Instead, I only act as a moderator. Should the NGO and activist demand be taken into account in studying law? Did Asianis Act cohere Article 12 in conjunction with Article 18 of Act number 18 of 2005? Is it appropriate to argue by comparing what ASEAN has done with corruptors have perpetrated to prevent ASEAN from being tried or see from jurisprudence? Okay, this is the end of my introduction to tutorial. So you have to discuss the case and the question and answer. Perhaps you can develop any more question on it. Okay, see you.